Hello guys, thank you so much for investing in a quick income multiplier. My name is Kenneth Chucks and you watched my video proof at the sales copy and you saw how I was able to make $1,900 on the average every single month using some simple money making techniques that almost nobody in the make money industry is talking about. So once again, my name is Kenneth Chucks and I'm going to take you through what this strategy is, how to implement it, and why it is the best and the fastest way to make money online. Now, before we begin, I want to give us some very few informations. Firstly, I'm going to make this training almost non-edited. Okay, I'm not going to edit it. All right, I'm going to do all of this live before you, so you can see me taking all the steps in your presence and you can see how simple and how effective this strategy is. The second important thing is this: knowledge doesn't change anything, but application of the knowledge. In other words, you're going to have to apply what you're going to learn. You're going to have to take the necessary steps. After watching this series of videos, ensure you take the necessary steps, ensure you take the necessary action, okay, that can put you over financially, so you can start making your first $100 a day, your first $500 a week, your first $1,000 a month, your first $2,000 a month, and you keep going on and going on and going on. Now, this same secret I'm about to share with you is about to take me to $10,000 a month income, and I believe strongly that within the next 1 or 2 months I should be able to hit $10,000 consistently every single month. Okay, so I'm going to share how powerful this secret is and how to go about it. So once again, thank you so much for investing in a quick income multiplier, and I'm starting from the next video. I'm going to walk you through what the secret is and how to implement it. Thank you.